Imagine waking up and seeing $300, $500, or even $1,000 landed in Gumroad from template sales while you're sipping coffee. Not from one product, but several small template drops. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I turned simple templates into a steady income stream on Gumroad, even with zero audience at the start. Stick around, because I'll even share what worked, what flopped, and how you can skip the mistakes. Let me tell you a quick story. One creator, Hafsah I, sold Notion templates on Gumroad. She made her first $1,000 only from templates. Another, Easlo, by age 21, had earned over $500K selling Notion templates, just by niching down, creating value, and scaling with templates. Why does this model work? Because a template is an intellectual property. You build once, sell many. Gumroad handles payments, delivery, and, if you use it right, marketing boosters. It's low upkeep, high leverage. Before designing anything, you need clarity. Step 1 is research and niche selection. Ask yourself, what templates are people buying already? Notion planners, UX UI case study kits, resume templates, social media graphics, budgeting sheets. What niche can you serve? Students, designers, coaches, entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, content creators. Where can you differentiate? Maybe you bundle with video tutorials, offer templates that are ultra aesthetic or super functional, or optimized for mobile. Example, the UX case study template Hafsah is selling well because it's beginner friendly, has many blocks, and solves a common pain, writing up case studies. Also, Hafsah I found success by making sure templates were listed in Gumroad Discover and keeping prices accessible. Once you have your niche, it's time to build. Step 2, create a high-quality template. Key things to focus on: clean design and good UX. People must see previews, screenshots, mockups that sell value. Editable formats, offer source files, Canva, Figma, Notion, Photoshop, etc. So customers can customize. Clear instructions and documentation. Include a PDF or video showing how to use the template. This reduces refunds and increases satisfaction. Branding, style consistency. Even for templates, tiny details count. Fonts, color palettes, sample content. Also, test your template yourself or with beta users to catch bugs, layout issues, mobile responsiveness, if applicable. Step 3, pricing. What do you charge? Here are several strategies and what worked for others. Entry price versus premium. Some charge low, $5, $20 to build credibility. Others price higher, $30, $100 plus for deeply niche templates. Hafsah: I kept many templates priced low initially to get traction and lots of reviews. Gumroad's features: use pay what you want or name your price as a strategy for freebies or building your email list. Bundles: package multiple templates together. For example, 5 social media graphics plus 5 stories templates for more value. Discounts: early bird, launch pricing. Create urgency. Use coupon codes, limited time bundles. Most importantly, price based on perceived value. If your template saves someone lots of time or helps them earn more, clients, etc., price higher. Step 4, the Gumroad product page. This is your storefront. Make it count. Tips: use clean, attractive thumbnails and preview images. Show before versus after or multiple screenshots. Strong headline plus subheadline. What the template is plus who it's for plus what it solves. Bullet points of features, what's included, what formats, any bonuses, testimonials or social proof, even early, maybe beta user feedback, examples, offer previews, short video walkthrough, or GIFs showing use of the template, FAQ section, answer common questions, customizability, file types, support. Okay, you've built a polished template with a solid product page. Step 5, launch and drive traffic. Without traffic, Gumroad is just a storefront in Ghost Town. Some traffic strategies: Gumroad Discover. Make sure to use tags, descriptions well so your product appears in Gumroad's organic Discover. Hafsah I's success came partly from this. Content marketing, blog posts, YouTube tutorials, how-to content with your templates as examples. Social media, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, X, TikTok, show previews, templates in use, tutorial clips. Reddit and communities, share in niche communities, forums, e.g. productivity, design, Notion, UX, UI. But share value first, not just selling. Collaborations, affiliates, get small creators to share your templates. Use Gumroad's affiliate system. Email list, even if small, use it. Give freebies, then launch templates to them. Let's look at 2 case studies to pull lessons. Case study #1, Hafsah I. She started with Notion templates, listed in Gumroad Discover, priced many products low, used her blog plus social media plus community to get those first few sales, then scaled via volume and niches. Case study #2, Easlo, a creator who, after focusing on productivity Notion niche, made over $500K revenue. Key tactics: unfolding premium templates, strong branding, consistency, diversifying designs and products. From them, get your visuals perfect, build trust, reviews, iterate designs based on feedback, and reinvest. Here are mistakes that kill template sales and how to avoid them. Over-design versus under-function. Beautiful template but hard to use == refunds. Bad reviews. Poor previews. If people can't quickly see what the product looks like in action, they don't buy. Too many niches. Spreading too thin == no messaging clarity. Better to dominate one niche initially. Ignoring keywords. Tags. Gumroad Discover depends on tags. Ignoring SEO kills visibility. No follow-up or updates. Templates need updates if tools change. Support. Bonus content. If you abandon customers, you lose trust. Once you have a few templates selling, scale smart. Bundle strategy. Combine older templates into best-of bundles to increase average order value. Create template variations, different styles, different color themes, or platform variants, for example, Notion plus, Canva plus, Figma. Offer customization, upsells, for example, paid support, personalized version, branded version, retargeting, ads, small spend on social media or Google to drive traffic to your best template. Expand distribution. Sell also on marketplace integrations if allowed, or embed Gumroad store in your website /blog. All right, here's your 3-step action plan starting today. 1. Choose your template niche and build one template with high quality plus clear previews. 2. Set up your Gumroad product with optimized description plus price plus tags plus discover listing. 3. Drive traffic using 2 channels, say Instagram plus Reddit or blog plus Pinterest. Track feedback, iterate. If you follow this, you can make your first $100, then $1,000 and more, all from selling templates you build once. If you want, I'll drop my template launch checklist, preview images, tags, pricing cheat sheet, etc. Comment, send the checklist, and I'll send it in the comments plus description. Smash that like if you're ready to build something once and sell it many times. Subscribe for more AI/digital product strategies that scale.